How to turn on sleep mode on iPhone. Go to Health app. Tap Browse tab on bottom of the screen. Choose Sleep from Health categories. To begin the setup, tap Get Started. Tap Next. Now set a sleep goal. Then press Next. You can now set a bedtime and wake up schedule by dragging the slider. Tap to select or deselect different days of the week. Then tap Add button at top right. To add an additional schedule for different days, press the Add Schedule for Other Days button. Set the applicable days and preferred bedtime and wake up times, then press Add. Review the schedules to make sure everything looks correct. Then tap Next. Now press Enable Screen button. Now set the wind down and tap Enable Wind Down button. To set shortcuts on home screen, tap on Setup Shortcuts. Now choose your first wind down shortcut or skip. Then tap Next. Finally, Apple will show you a summary of your setup. Tap Done. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel for more Apple related videos and tutorials.